What is up? Daniel here from I Am Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom Wi-Fi bars. Let me see here. If you can see, I mean it's really bad up close like that, but if you look kind of right there at the top there, right there, that is customized. And this is what it looks like right now. This is what my Wi-Fi bar looks like right there. So I'm going to be showing you how to customize those. You can make it say AT&T or whatever. First off, the applications you're going to be needing is obviously iPhone box. It says it right there. Link will be down below to iPhone box. I'm going to be using an editing program called GIMP 2.0. There will be a link to that in the description. That's a free editing program. And you're going to obviously need a jailbroken iPod or iPhone. I am only certain that this works on iPod Touch 4th generation because that's the only thing I've ever tested this on. If you would test it on a lower generation, I would be very pleased if you would post in the comments below saying that it did in fact work. There will be a template of mine in the description so that you can go and download that one and then test it to make sure before you go and do all the work of doing this yourself and then it not working, because I don't want to disappoint anybody, but I'm just letting you know that I've only tested this on 4th generation. Okay, so first off, what you're going to be needing to do is go ahead and open iPhone box. You're going to want to download the template that I have in the description. It's going to be an AT&T carrier theme. Okay, so it's going to come out. It'll be called, let me see here, AT&T carrier. I don't know if you can see that at the top there. It'll say that, and I've already customized all of mine here, but I'm going to be showing you how to customize them. Okay, so what you're going to do to find that theme, you're going to have Winterboard on your iDevice. To find the theme, once you plug your iPod in and then run iPhone box, to find the theme, you're going to go to where it says a raw file system. You're going to double click that or press the little plus sign beside it, and then go down to where it says library. Double click that or press the plus sign beside it, then scroll down until you find it where it says themes. You can also double click that or press the plus sign beside it. Then you're going to go through all of these files until you find the one that says AT&T carrier.theme. You're going to double click on that and it's going to load up here. You're not going to have this folder right here. That's customized. If you want to learn how to make if you want to learn how to add your own custom sounds, you can go to my last video that I did yesterday, and that will teach you how to do things like this. It'll teach you how to do something like that using the IMT Paint app and iPhone box. Now, what we're going to be doing is you're not going to have this folder in here, but you will have this folder, this UI images. So all you're going to do is click this and drag it to your desktop, or click on it there, right click, copy to PC, and then click on desktop or wherever you want to copy it to, and then click save. I already have it saved, so I don't need to do that. And then go to your desktop, and it'll be on your desktop as the name, which I have right there. Okay, we're going to open up this. Now, you're going to want to download, if you haven't already, you're going to want to download GIMP, or you can use Photoshop if you want to, if you have Photoshop. And then you're just going to edit them. Each one by one, you're going to edit the pictures to whatever you want them to say. So what I suggest is that you edit them to look sleek. You don't want to take up the whole box. You can see here, if you see that black line around that, that is the limit. The black line is the limit. The inside is not the limit. I could have filled up that whole thing if I wanted to, but I didn't. So, I mean, it's better for it not to be the complete limit, so it looks sleek. So I'm just letting you know that ahead of time. And then this is like, and these are all of them, and then that's my battery. You don't have to worry about the battery. You can also do your battery if you want to. I'll teach you that in a different video or something. I don't know. But anyway, okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to have a set of white AT&Ts here with the bars beside them, and then you're going to have a set of blue AT&Ts again with the bars beside them, and you're not going to have these three right here. You don't even worry about those. Okay, so you're going to right click after you have GIMP installed. You're going to right click on the first one and then edit with GIMP. It's going to open up with GIMP, and GIMP may take a while to open. It usually does. If it's your first time, then it's going to take a while. It's going to open here in a second. Like I said, I haven't turned off my computer in seriously like a month, so I have to wait. Okay, there it goes. That was actually kind of fast. Okay, so it's opened up here. And now we're going to zoom in by holding control and then using the wheel and your mouse to zoom in. Don't worry about the pixelated quality once you're up really close, because this is going to be very, very small. Okay, so now you're going to erase whatever is in there just by grabbing the erase tool and erasing everything that's in there. And then you're going to put whatever you want. It does not matter. You can put a letter if you want to, like LOL. You can put LOL really big in there, just like that. And then click close, right click here, move this around. You can move this around anywhere you want. Don't worry about this window right here that keeps popping up. That is a required window. Every time you click on this, this is the text editor. So when you click on this, it registers as you editing the text, so this will pop up. Just move that out of the way. Don't even worry about that, because if you exit out of it and then click on the lettering again, it's just going to pop up again and you're just going to get really annoyed. Okay, so once you have this placed where you want it to be and you have the color set to what you want it to be, which you can change from over here where the toolbox is, it's called toolbox up there, over here where the toolbox is, you go down here, right here, you click on that and you can choose from all of these different colors. And then once you have the color you want, which will be right here, your current color and your old color, you can click OK and it'll change the text color. To change the text size, here, up, right there, or down, there, and you can also change your font right there. Okay, so once you have the text that you want, you're going to go over here, right click on the text, merge down, and there you go. It's one big file. You go up to the top where it says, well, you actually don't have to do that. You can go down to your keyboard, hit Control, and then S, and it will automatically come up with a save prompt. I'm not going to save it because I don't want to mess anything up, because I don't want to mess up my theme. But once you've done that, you can edit this any way you want. You can do it with paintbrushes, anything you want. But after that, after you're done with that, you're going to go through each one. So this is, it goes by the current corresponding text below it. So where it says black 0 Wi-Fi bars, that means that there is no signal. 1 Wi-Fi bar meaning you have low signal, 2 Wi-Fi bars meaning you have medium signal, and 3 being the highest meaning you have very good signal. And then it goes to silver, which is the same exact thing, just when you're running an application. So it'll be a different color. You don't have to make it a different color. You can copy all of the other 3 ones or all of the other 4 ones, take them to your desktop, rename them to all silvers instead of blacks, and then paste them back in there and overwrite the old silvers. So then you have all of the same exact ones, which is what I've done. Okay, so once you've saved all of these to the correct names, you can see the names there, you're going to hit exit out of that. Now, that folder is going to be saved directly on your desktop if you haven't moved it or wherever it was, which is right there. Now, to get this in iPhone box, you're going to run iPhone box here, and you're going to take the theme that you've just made. You're going to take that theme, drag it, and put it over top of where you're going to drag it and hover directly over top where it says themes, and then just release it right there. And if you notice, all of these will refresh and it will come up in a window looking like this. And then you're going to want to look through here until you find the AT&T carrier theme. And you're going to go to UI images and make sure that all of these images are the ones you just made. Don't worry about this thumbs right here, that will be there. Don't even worry about that there. Don't delete it. It's supposed to be there. It's perfectly fine. And these 3 right here, again, you will not have those. Okay, now, once you've done that, you're going to go on your iDevice. You're going to go to your jailbreak. Well, not you, but I have a jailbreak stuff thing. I'm sorry about the quality on that. And then you're going to go into Winterboard, go to Select Themes, and then pick the theme that you just put on there. And it's right there. You can't tell because it's so blurry. they're going to pick the theme that you just put, which is going to be AT&T Carrier. Tap that until there's a check mark beside it. Go to Winterboard and then respring. Once you've resprung, the icon should take place. Thank you for watching this 10-minute freaking video. Wow. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please like the video, favorite the video, and of course subscribe to me for more updates. I'm going to be trying to do this daily. If you like my videos, again, you already know what to do. Again, I am Daniel from I Am Life. Have a nice night or day, depending on where your location is and the time. Peace.